Hello everyone, my name is Akash Nahar, and after a long time I again come back to my channel with another watercolor video. So in this video I'm gonna create a village you can see right now. So first I apply the sky area with ultramarine blue and cobalt blue, and then I create the background, some bushes, and here I apply green and ultramarine blue and some tree area in front of side. I use lemon yellow and sap green. You can see how I apply the colors. And for the house I use orange and little bit of burnt sienna. And if you want to create like this, then you have to practice like I am doing right now. You can see how I apply the color. Then I continue with this brush and I apply some water first. Then I will add some lemon yellow and sap green for grass area. You can see how I apply. This is the first tone, and every time when you do the first tone you have to remember that don't be hesitate, just use the color like how I apply on the sheet. Then I wet the road area and I use same color orange and burnt sienna for some muddy effect. And then you have to wait for some time, and when it is almost dry then I again use some water for background area. Then I apply some green and vermilion hue for background grass. You can see how I create the background grass. And again you have to create like this, what I am doing here. And I use the color burnt sienna and hooker's green for the front of trees. And for the grass area you can see how again I wash the sheet and then I apply the color so it will blend. So every time when you apply the color you have to maintain this in your painting. Then again I wet the road and I use the color for some shadow effect. So here I try to create some trees and I use some colors which is hooker's green, vermilion hue and little bit of Payne's grey, etc. And for some lightened part I use sap green and lemon yellow. Then again I apply some orange, and after that before it's dry I use some dark area with ultramarine blue and vermilion hue and little bit of green. So it's your choice how you create some dark area with your favorite color. You can go with your favorite color. So again I create the house with orange, and before it's dry I have to apply some darkened part. You can see how I create the darkest part. So every time you have to remember that before it's dry you have to apply the dark color, because if it is dry and you apply the dark color, then it will never blend. So you have to remember it in watercolor medium, so you have to do it fast. The second house I create the same way like the first house. And some brushings are remaining and my painting is almost done. So right now I again create the road area and I wet the road with water, and before it's dry I apply the same color with lots of pigmentation, so it will last I think, and my painting is done. Thank you.